Empowerment means something that makes us free, using the gadget properly without allowing the gadget to use us. If I am tempted to use the gadget all the time, then obviously it becomes toxic and I am a slave to the gadget. So digital empowerment is a very powerful tool. Digital empowerment is not a luxury anymore. It is an absolute necessity to use the gadgets and not to misuse it, to help ourselves and not to harm ourselves. Namaste. I'm here to talk about digital empowerment. Digital empowerment, in the literal sense, means developing technological capabilities in people so that a digital transformation can be brought about. Digital transformation empowers a person to do things the way he or she wants to do them, and also in the process control what happens to the person also. So it is a very positive word which tells us that we need to break free from the shackles of technological ignorance. Empowerment means something that makes us free. Here it means that we are free from the overuse of gadgets. We are free to help ourselves rather than to harm ourselves. We are free to gain mastery over the gadget rather than allowing the gadget to overpower us or to suppress us. This is digital empowerment in the true sense. If I am going to be distracted by every notification, every message, and if I am tempted to use the gadget all the time, then obviously it becomes toxic and I am a slave to the gadget. So in this sense, using the gadget properly without allowing the gadget to use us is actually the true sense of digital empowerment. Having a balanced and sensible approach to technological use and trying to gain the maximum benefit out of it and trying to minimize the ill effects as much as possible makes our lives not only convenient but also comfortable. It also helps us to relieve so many of its negative effects like disconnectivity from people, not spending quality time with the family, increased stress levels. All these things can be avoided. So, if I am able to harness the power of technology and gain the maximum out of it, wouldn't that be the time when I would be able to live my life to its complete potential? It is at this point, at this optimum point, that my absolute requirement of the gadget as well as my self-control would meet. So, taking small steps would go a long way in empowering ourselves to use the gadgets and not to misuse it, to help ourselves and not to harm ourselves. So digital empowerment is a very powerful tool that we have with us, and it is not a distant dream. We can definitely make it a reality because digital empowerment is not a luxury anymore. It is an absolute necessity which requires a lot of fortitude, perseverance, and the zeal to have a fulfilling life. So let's all get digitally empowered. Thank you.